Essex Boss Productions presents a Jamaican Movie, Double Life Episode 3, starring Sister Petra's Josiah, Essex Boss's Jeremia.
What's your Errol phone a ring? Errol!
Yes, I.
Your phone a ring, you know?
Make it ring, man. A good old miserable boss a call me. I don't know what them a call me so early for. Them not see they just like.
Alright, baby, no problem. You're not easy. Then now if you call up to see if you're
ring, man. Don't answer it.
Alright, no problem. So why my husband don't want me answer him phone if I'm boss a call? Him lucky. Hello? Who is this?
Josiah, me can't talk to me man Jeremiah.
You have the wrong number. Young lady, why you behaving like that? I said that your baby father don't live here. Me say it's the wrong number, ma'am.
Woman, I mean man Jeremiah number this you know. Me normally call him pan this a number and get him. Me tell you something, he pitney one pampas and in there they dead fi hungry. And me always call pan the number and get him. So put me man pan the phone.
You're not easy. What you mean by is your baby father and you normally call him on this number and get him? I don't know what you're talking about. Miss, if this is the way you're going to behave over the phone, I'm very sorry. You can't call back this number. You hear what I said? This is my husband's number.
But you're not easy. I mean man number this. How long you and me man married?
We've been married for years. So in case... Tell you what. I'm not in any argument with you, miss. Because I can see that you're very upset.
Oh man! No make me dirty you up, you know, man. And that me they tell you, you know. Me pitney hungry and he want pampas. You hear what me say? Can you piece up your last pampas and me want chat to me, man? Don't get me irritable, you know.
You know what? Come off the phone. Come off this phone. Don't call back this number. I'm very sorry. Don't call this number, man. You don't have any manners.
Watch ya! Watch ya! Lord God, I could never stand the woman turn off the phone for me. I really hang up the phone for me. Hello! Hello! Woman! Lord, that woman you want me nah see him up, you know. You understand what me they say? Imagine, I'm a man number. I me normally call me man and get him. I wonder if me man really they give me bun and go marry that woman here for real. I wonder if I true. Jesus Christ. Imagine. Look power me if he give me pitney fi drink. Black tea, bush tea, me young pitney. He nah nothing fi drink from when. Look how long he feeding done. A long time he feeding done and he papa gone 2 weeks now. I no give me nothing for the pitney. I want me pitney for do? Dead fi hungry and I me first pitney. He now go work in my cabinet, you know. What wrong with that man, yeah, man? Hey, him bet, listen to me. You know, say them a get me dirty in that. Yo, sure.
But this a woman not easy. But anyway, you look like a wrong number. But I could have swear I see a name in there. Me know me see a name when the phone did a ring. You know what? I not say nothing to him. I go and watch him. Me I go watch him to see what I'm up to. Let me what's that?
I'll go on, babes.
Hi. So what now? Where you going now?
I got work, man.
Oh, okay. So what time you normally reach at work?
Read that to 8 and so.
To 8?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Well, your boss was calling as I was saying.
I don't know why them a call me for. Them not see day just light. You understand?
So,
I just 7 o'clock, you know.
Yeah.
So where my call for them hours here?
Maybe he's just calling to find out if you leave out already. What do you think?
Yo.
What's the
Just a
problem?
call, you know. I don't know where I call for.
So remember, it's your boss and him have your number and him want to know if you are going to reach on time. What if him
I always reach on time, honey.
Okay.
You understand? So
Yeah.
I don't know why I continue to call the phone for.
Okay.
Come here to ring in there, I know say I must see my call, you know.
So early, right? It's early, not true for your boss call,
What do you mean?
right? Then look for your face to not upset with your boss. Alright.
Yes, I'm
So,
running now. I call him and call him early.
alright. So why you not just spend the day with me? Nobody go work today.
No, only me have to go work.
Why you have to go? Then if me want you to stay with me, you can just call in and tell him say your wife not feel good.
But if him a call honey and him a behave, so you know say me fire me if me not turn up.
Alright.
You understand what I say?
I hear you. I hear you. So how your face look so?
Later, man.
You just look kinda funny, you know? And me not like that look there.
Honey, me call you because me upset right now, you know.
Me can't see it.
Me don't know why him want me hurry up to come and work them hours here. You understand what I say?
Oh.
Me didn't even get a chance to drink even a little tea or nothing.
You don't look like you want to tea this morning because your face look like from you to say your boss a call you get upset, so.
Honey, me call it.
Alright. But wait, come back here. So remember, say you normally leave sometime for one couple weeks or so and whatever. What it is all about today?
Remember, I don't know what I'm up to, you know, if anything I call you. I don't know if I somewhere different you must send me for the weekend or what.
Okay.
You understand? So if him tell me say me fi go somewhere, me make you know later.
Yeah. So
Probably, I don't know if me go come in tonight still, you know.
okay. So tell me something. So your boss don't know say you're married?
I mean, honey, listen me I tell you the honest truth.
Yeah.
Me feel say me feel look a different work, you know.
Me
because
think so too.
This a work here take over my life, you know.
Yeah, because you not spend no time with me and not
Not
only
even
that.
day off the man now give me.
Not even day off, the man no give. And what kind of work that? And what me not understand, when a boss is send up on a business trip or so, him know say you're married, right?
Yes.
So how comes him never yet say, make your wife go with you? Me not understand that the boss there. Something just not right somewhere.
Work, me not feel like him a go want more.
Oh, are you, what?
No, through work, honey, and I work and me a go busy, me not think him. Probably company not sponsor that, honey.
Okay. Alright, honey. Have a
Later,
good day.
yeah?
And you must come in later.
No, me don't know if he must send me go somewhere different. Someone will call you and make you know.
Okay, that's a
I
good
like
one.
them type of style, you know.
I saw it go. No worry yourself, my man. So I think set up. Okay. So Errol playing it out very well. I can see my actor. You can imagine him look on the number and tell me about say why him boss a call this hours and me answer the phone and it's a woman that come talk about say him baby mother want pampers. Alright, Errol. We'll see about that. One of the day we must find out what you're up to.
Watch out, Jeremiah, they call me. Hello? Oh, you mean what they go and look for when you left me the pitney there at the tab, a black tea, me they give the pitney and the one pampas in your band. Eh? Are you gone from when, but you gone a foreign? Me they go down and me mother and me reach right near to the short road. Me fi wait for you there, sir. And you make me have to go look feeding from me man, you know. Cause you left me and you know say you ain't left enough money fi buy feeding. Me there the what?
Come man, just hold on man. You just come out there, hold on right there, so me a come.
Hurry up and come, man.
Alright, dear.
Talk about alright, babes. You make your woman. You make your woman and make sure you know your woman. They can't talk about you and him married and you never tell me say you're married. Oh, that me they tell you. You come here now, they can't talk about. And me not fi go down on me, ma. After you left me, go there now a really woman yard you went there. Oh. Me so pissed off with you. Kuya! Me husband, you there?
Up to babes.
So where you luggage them there?
Babes, we drop them off down a yard, man.
Oh, you don't know say the penny there the dead for hungry. I want make you do me, sir.
Me know say me if you send a thing babes, but me never get the chance just to me tied up in a work and so.
You tied up so you prefer the penny if you dead for you hungry. Yeah, alright.
You get the missed call from you today in a babes, but
I'm hungry, make you hear in the holler so you know. Oh.
me say me get the missed call, me know how you feel no way and me get the missed call from you.
And which woman that they answer your phone about your wife? Eh? And which
The
woman?
secretary tell you babes?
Which secretary? The woman say you no there and I feel your number and say your no name, say your name. Why say the name again? Must I Errol?
No man, our secretary babes.
The secretary?
Babes, I saw the secretary overseas see everybody call. Is a problem when they call to get their loved ones over there, babes.
So what make she go along so the boss not fi put her
I'm
stuff
tell
into
the
it?
boss and what they yeah. Say every time you try to call, she always a tell you all type of things, babes.
Brother,
You get fed up her, you know.
so now that me tell you fi deal with her case, you know.
As me go back to work, babes, me I go tell the boss,
So-
say secretary I tell you all type of sitting.
So every minute when you go foreign, that the secretary they run the show.
Yeah, she run the boss work, babes.
Oh.
And she take everybody pay a bill and something, babes.
Okay. But what are we a sheep right girl like you and I there? You come and get upset, you know?
Babes, they not forget upset, you know.
Oh, you mean to me not to get upset? You know, she said that the girl live right.
Babes, they not forget upset, man. Remember say me and you are the favor, you know. Me no want no other woman, no babes.
That's the reason why me should have argue with her and discipline her. You know, say as from today, me have a plan, though. You know, say as from today, me want you to carry me go foreign with you so me can meet the girl. So
Yeah,
me
you
can
can't
make
carry
it girl.
her foreign
Oh, you
like
mean
that.
say you can't carry me?
You can't carry her for a night that.
Me want go so me can meet the girl so me make she know say I'm me a wife round here. You hear what me say?
Babes, you don't have to do that. Your wife already, babes. You don't need to lower yourself to fear her
Oh, you mean tell me not feel lower myself when wife don't show me a material? A problem. So me have to show her say it's me his wife cause I look like I say she want you, you're blind. Eh?
Yes, she no want me, babe. That just
Oh, you mean say she no want you and they tell me about she a wife or no married for years? That girl they want me discipline her. That me I tell you.
Babes, that just so she stay, babes. No fear no mind.
No tell me that.
Just to make that, don't put that for your head, babes.
Let me tell you something, me there and they watch you know. Me tell you say the pitney piss up the whole place and piss up all the mattress. Everything piss up. Me no hear you say nothing about it, you know.
Alright, come, babes. We could go down and go sun the mattress.
What you did say? Son which mattress? So why you dey try tell me say? Me fi go lie down in the piss up bed after you sunny and the rankness turn up in a me nose. And that me fi sleep on. Oh you bright so?
Babes, me go put little bleach on it to get out the
Lad!
rain, babes.
Look
Come
here.
babes.
It look like you lick your head. You're mad.
Come make your
Listen
babes,
to me.
babes.
You dey go give me the money while you make over foreign. Cause look here, don't a quote me dey go buy one pasta pedic. And me want one big old bed. And that me dey tell you one king size. Cause that they want a queen. And you dey come tell me about sunbed. You diss me. After you breed me, you diss me. Me no deserve big king size bed.
Yes, but you deserve it. But remember, say, baby soon get bigger. We have to put our money for she go school in a
Yeah,
babes.
me no say no, but yeah, you know me want live comfortable. Lie you a tell. You carry me good on a court. Yeah, you want me say, Uncle ya, how me figure fi tell you say the machine broke down. Look ya, the machine broke down. Cause when me they throw this thing them in a hit me on go here vuk and it tap work. So here you know, me want one washing machine
Me
too.
call my friend we fix them thing. They be able to fix it something. Can't bother with them
And this
something,
you
you know.
they diss me boy. You diss me. Call friend for fix one. Me want one Black Panther machine. You hear what me say? Me see them they advertise it and that me want. So listen to me.
Work no whole heap of money, you know.
How will you dey tell me that for? Listen to me. Me no want hear that cause when you went call look me you when they give me money. So now that me want things, me no want hear that from you. Why you dey do your face so far? Why you dey do your face so far? Eh? You make sure the whole of the money down there they wait for me. You want me say? Why you so what? I thought me they talk to you. I thought me they talk.
Yes, time I say me I come home concern the mattress and you come tell me about you want pasta.
But you did this. Jesus Christ, you disrespect me, bossy. You disrespect me. You give me a youth and you can't buy pasta PD. Give me. I don't of course it to a way I go when we go down here. You want me say? So why you hang down your face so far?
Come babe.
Who you ugly face to now? But you want to give me piece up mattress for lie down pan. What are we you bright? Eh? How you bright so? Look how England punchang. Eh? And you they can't tell me about say you can't buy me this and that what me want. Look here, no ramp with me now.
But on every day I work, babes, and
Who
every day I work, you know.
I'm in a business if every day you walk. The point is you go walk, so you expect say when you come back me I go want same thing. And
You
that
know
me
say
I
I wanna
tell
make
you.
man thief do.
Who make your thief? Me send you go thief or I walk you go walk. So now you come back with the money. All I want me want you to go buy. Yeah, you want me say me in an argument with you, you know. And by the way, how me can see this suitcase them?
It's something in our house, babes.
You better make sure. So why
I
you
am
clean
out
up
of
your face?
Grabalicious, man.
Grabalicious what? So you don't know say me hungry. Me and the pitney out there hungry, so we have to secure what we want before we catch in at the house. As simple as that. You don't know say the pitney tell me say he want to go up a foreign with you too.
Oh, you
you mean say you know? Who this a ugly man, ya man? You put on the pitney. So tell me something what the suitcase there, what the same thing them what you buy for me. Oh, I desire. Me think I want to feel sitting there.
Can you manage it?
No, sir, heavy brother. Heavy put it on the bed. Lord God, enough something in it. Take your time, man. Yeah? Strain yourself. Eh, fix it good. Lord God, look
Put
at
some
enough
I seen them
something.
up here so and the baby and your stuff them then I big part. But me pack some up here so.
You put listen to it, but it look like I ram this a suitcase, this a chip here, me man. That's why me love you, sir, you know. Watch ya, queer. Attacking this I buy for me, me can't wear it go to church.
I know if it can't fit here now, but me
It will fit me, you don't worry yourself. It will fit me, man. From me see it, me know say it fit me. And it look good
me
too,
know
you
say the
know.
other one where they have tears.
I me wonder where he got church still, you know. But this a one I me love this a color door, pretty man. I want passing thing you buy, man. Why else in? Kuya, this a color you pretty. Kuya, me can't wear this. I got clinic next week with the bikini.
And some stuff in there stuff you baby too, you know.
Yes, man.
Match, me buy them match here.
So the picnic go and wear the same thing one in the mother wear.
Like this is
Lord God, dress like
me.
we are twin. We are most a Siamese twin. I want
get a call, you know.
Oh, you mean say they get a
I
call?
get a call, yeah?
Me not hear the phone ring or who they call you.
I vibrate with the phone.
So why you put it on vibrate for?
Just treat baby asleep.
So when me the picnic wake up, me we buy him back to bed. Now put your phone on vibrate again. How would they panic?
I boss a call me babes. It look like
Quiet.
a important.
Alright, answer that. Put it on speaker because a long time me want chat to your boss. Put it on speaker. What make?
Because at the boss and suppose I something private.
So you know, you me say me want chat to him. Answer phone and put it on speaker. Me talk to the boss. As simple as that. Because me want say something to him. Because me not understand how he take you away. Few much week I expect say me and the picking if it turn by himself.
And next time me make you talk to him, just go and pack out the thing them till me come, man.
Alright, go down where they go. Kuyoto. Me say no easy, no. So what me want talk to the boss. Me love this I do that same thing here. Oh, I can't wear over this I must that him buy if I look good though. I want thing with for me man. He can't shopping. Hello. Oh, you don't call me when you go work. Normally you don't call me. This looks strange.
Nothing no strange, man, babes. I just through me busy, man. Me never get the chance to call you. Hear what? Me now come in tonight, you know.
Harold, what you mean by you not come home? And you make me go shop in the rain? The rain a pour like crazy. I have to about you not come home. You're not easy. Me buy food to cook for you. Listen, me don't play with me.
Me never think you'd wait until me call you before you go shop, babes. Oh yeah, say no rain no day which part me there now. Hurry up and come out of rain, man, because me know why you get sick, you know.
By the way, let me talk to the boss about what me I talk about. But hope at the after what we want to so we can spend some time together.
funny, me just done asking about the day off them, you know. But he must say just through the Christmas season. Even no think say me can get the day off them. You understand? Yo, them thing you make me all get all upset, you know, honey. You understand? Because I well want to spend some time with you, you know. Babes, here what? Me have to go call you back later, you know, because it look like say I'm out to go drive out, you know. You understand? I don't want to leave me, so me call you, yeah? Yo, me tired of them double life, you know. Them thing you have me a way, no star. And if I lie with me, I tell man, me can't bother with them type of thing, you know. Sure.
I really ain't hang up on me. Hello, Errol. No, sir. This is strange. Errol, I'm one way from what they are, you know, and I have to get to the bottom of this. You can't rain up on me and talk to my husband and he hang up on me. No, man, it's strange. Kuya, what is that? Watch ya. African clothes in buy for me. Me can't wear this I go to church, man. Cause me so much hot girl at church, so now when they see me in this, me know they can't go believe say I mean this. Why me they tell them me can't let go for this man, yeah, you know. Me say the man just good to me, brother. Me glad for me, no. Brother, me glad for me, man. Who you want next one? Watch ya. This one you make me don't look like a lady. Look on it too now, man. Kuya, you come back.
Yeah, just come
So,
talk to your boss.
How are your boss now? How are my say?
About work, yeah, babes.
What about work now? You want to take you every 2 weeks again?
No, babes, I tell him say, yo, me can't come now this week, you know, I want to spend some time with you and the baby, you know.
Oh, you have sense because you this day come back, so I make you don't want to go out so quick.
Yes, me get tired of work right now.
Me
Me
no
need
want-
some time with you, you know.
And then me they say to why you not let that they work and find one next one where you can't
That
stand.
if you do,
And that you fi do so you can spend the whole time with me and your picking it.
you will go on when we decide, right? You
Eh.
see, as soon as me get a different work,
Eh.
me go left the work there.
And turn with me fi
What
good.
you mean, so at least me can there with you know?
And you can grow the picking if you not see how them a picking it and now.
Yes.
Me want you
She need
grow
her father
in our life. That's true.
Understand what I'm saying?
So what making them make me chat to the man cause me when want in case they go next week or week after next me when want me and me picnic go with you, you know.
Babes are just too in kind of upset you know, you understand? Because
So what?
work have him away, babes.
Work have him away.
Christmas Eve not coming, it have him away, so next time when him call again, me promise you, me make it happen.
I hope so, you know. And
Yeah,
take
man.
your phone off a speaker cause me off a vibrate, me not like it. And when you're there around me, you're supposed to put your phone on speaker so me can hear what the chat say. If every chat foolishness, me can answer him. Cause any other girl they call again, you will see sitting. Oh.
Take it off a vibrate.
Eh.
When it call, you can answer it when it call, yeah?
Yes, and that you fi do long time, cause you see if that the secretary they call again. You see what me do
She
to
not
her.
call back, babe.
She not call back.
No, sir.
You tell the boss about him when I went out the door.
Yeah, me block her too. So she not get no, she not call, not come in. Me block her.
Because I walk she there gonna like I say you and her there.
Right, me I say, me block her.
You say me love this eye, you see?
Right, me I say you must love it. When me see it in a place, you just sketch me, you know.
It catch your eye and it favor me too, you know.
Boy.
Look how I look good.
You
Look
go
how I
look
look good
sexy in
for
this,
me.
you know.
I hat me they go look at and me they wear it go church, you know. Because me see everybody up at church they wear be African now and me then have none.
So you say
me
you love
glad.
them?
Oh, you mean if me love it? Me still no more in a so me not in the point of the that the part the file it too much. Me comfortable with what me get. Kuya, my God, this a look good, man. You just know the right thing for buy for your girl, you know. And that me love you, Yana.
Not true,
That's
no.
why me not want nobody come between we.
Nobody can come between.
Come between one.
But you're not easy.
You want me tear them up?
And the two away forever and ever.
How that you know? And me glad say you know that, you know.
What you mean?
Oh, me no want no girl run themselves with me. That's why me very upset with that secretary there. That's why me want go foreign go deal with our case. But anyway, me no want you to forget about what we plan still, you know. See there, the teddy bear, them, and the piece sketch them too. You understand me? So, when when they pick me wake up, me want me and you go deal with what we have to deal with. You understand me? Business.
Again, babes.
Oh, you mean say what that you know remember? Say we dey go down to go buy one bed for we can't sleep on this at tonight for if you smelly rank. You understand me? So after you get that out of the way, we know nothing more for you buy. Cause remember say you buy everything new. You understand me? So you not have to look so long, look so sad.
So babes, here what we go on then.
Eh.
You insist, right?
Yes.
Me go take out one, me go trust one.
Me I hear you still, but me no in that one day. Me no in
I
no
go trust one and when time me get pay again, me just pay for it. You understand? I go pay down on it so at least you can get it in the week. So when me get pay now, we finish pay for it. What you say about
well,
that?
look yeah.
Because I don't want to spend the whole of money on that and then
that alone.
and now when me gone again another problem. I better
Oh,
leave
me
the money with you.
understand. Well, tell you what. The money where you don't take pay on it, give me make me hold on on it because listen me, if you pay on it, you don't pay double price. So here you know. What me don't do, I hold on on the money so when you get the next paycheck, we just buy them cash. What you think about that? What you think about that?
Alright, babe.
Yeah, so every minute me hear you talk about business, you hang down your face like when brother dog begs. Why you hang down your face for because we the chat business? Eh?
Nothing, babe.
Okay. Well, me just glad say you're there, you know. And me love you, yeah. And
Love you too, babe.
we appreciate everything what you do for you. Every minute you go foreign, you just come back with something brand new.
Yeah.
Look, you know. Me and you forever.
And ever.
And ever.
And ever.
And ever. Mr. Errol, him. They act so strange. Alright, Mr. Errol. Mr. Wiseman. You're Salaman, alright. Me I go call Mora and see if Mora have the boss number. Getting out of hand, man. He might move strange and set me for idiot. Like his son a come back out. Me and him. How are Mora she there? Hello? Mora?
Yeah,
How you doing, baby?
I'm okay. And how are you, Marlene?
I am not so good, you know. I'm not so good. Errol, man. Errol, he might give me one problem, yeah. You have the boss number one you used to work with?
Yeah, I should think I still have it, you know.
Alright, baby. Tell you what. You can look it up and give to me?
Yeah, let me search.
Alright, no problem. Do what you do. The money I get on top of my last nerve. I mean, me have to act wise.
No.
Baby, you can come link me when you're done?
Yeah, me come. Your number goes.
Yeah. Me not hear you.
876
Yeah.
705
Yeah.
956.
Okay. 876
Yeah.
705
Yeah.
9056.
Yes.
Alright, come link me when you're done, you hear?
Alright, me I come.
And then me will tell you what really happened.
Alright.
Alright, baby. Dear Mozart. Just because me soft and nice, him think me an idiot. Errol, him take me for idiot. Him no know say woman always one step ahead of man. Man always think say them wise. Alright, Mr. Errol. We'll find out today what you're up to. Let me tell you. Let me call Mr. White. I shouldn't even lean on the bed because I'm dumb. When I finish, I go bed. Let me find out what Errol is really up to. Tired of Errol condition now. Man always going like them wiser than him, man.
Hello, good morning. Mr. White speaking.
Hi, morning Mr. White. How are you?
Good morning, and who am I speaking with?
This is Errol wife, man.
Oh, what's up?
I'm here. Everything alright?
Yeah, man, everything is okay so far.
And the wife is good too?
Yeah, man.
Boy, it is windy where you at, sir.
Yes, miss.
So Errol must be working hard in this winning.
No, Errol isn't that work, you know. Errol get 2 weeks off from the other day.
What you said to Mr. White? What you really said to me?
Errol asked a 2-week vacation to spend some time with you, and I grant him it.
Mr. White, tell me say I tell lie no, Mr. White. Errol not spending any time with me. Errol, Jesus, me can't. Errol not even there. Errol tell me say not in there. You don't give him because you say because the Christmas season coming up or something, him can't get no time off.
No such thing, man.
Jesus Christ.
Errol 2 weeks off because he tell me that he need to spend some time with you, and I said, okay, that's no problem because he's a very hard worker enemy. So
Oh.
I grant him 2 weeks off. So Errol have at least 1 week outstanding.
What you saying to me, Mr. White? Mr. White, Errol want kill me, you know. Errol want kill. Mr. White, the rain of Mr. White, the rain of fall like crazy. Not even money Errol don't give to me. You understand what me I say? I mean, I want to.
Errol every week?
What, sir? Sir,
No, man.
it's borrow one money right now. Me just borrow one money, sir. For go buy something for cook and me call Errol. You understand me? And tell Errol say me go cook. Errol say him now go come home, and why me never wait till when him call me, sir.
No, that isn't right, man. I lose off my Errol big time for doing that.
So you don't know where Errol is at, sir?
No.
Or
I'm going to try and call him.
sir, because I am calling him and the number it's not going through. Like him block me or something because him hang up in my ears, you know.
What? That isn't right. What you really saying?
Mr. White, thank you very much for the information. I can't believe this. I can't believe what you're telling me now, Mr. White. Alright, have a good day and tell your wife hi for me.
Okay, I'll do that.
Alright, sir. Alright. Alright, Errol. Remember me tell you today, me have to know what you're up to. Me have to know you're going to see what me doing here. You see how me still lying with you look all along every minute Errol talk about saying Ghana foreign door. My God, I'm going to change my clothes before more come. My God almighty, one man can't so wicked though. Jesus Christ, me do everything for this man. Errol! Your sin will find you out today. Remember me tell you.
I never. Alright, enough of that now, man. Enough of that. Give me the money before you forgive me.
So we are behave suffer
Me
babe.
nah behave now here. Give me the money. Cause in case we go kiss up and you no member fi give me the money. Me no want lose out on the money at all. Are you dey gonna give me the same thing, man? Cause you dey gonna knock you no want give me. I tell you say no, how much this here?
90,000 babes.
So when I can then put 10,000 on it so you square off if you 100,000.
Yes, but me not got nothing for go back to work.
I tell you no, nothing for doing me and I get nothing out of this here. Me dey see if you buy this in thing them. Oh, I remember we already talked about that. Boy, me dey tell you, you really want a good man still, you know. How are you dey do yourself so far? Come along, so man. You know, say we have to make ourselves comfortable. Can I pick the piece up your whole place and we can go sleep on that for the rest of the time being. So, I saw the thing set up, man. So, come along, son. One thing, you look tired, man.
Tired babe.
And what you do last night?
I mean babe, me not hard at work.
My God, you overwork that you come here well tired, man. So, why you want to go lie down side of the bikini?
I want to get a 5 babe.
Who your ugly face? You think say me no know say I beg through you give me the 90,000. You think say 90,000 na money? Next time you go work you can't want this. Now ramp with me. Oh, that me they tell you. Hey, me take up this half of the bed too. Get up, me take up your lazy lakawa. Take it up and go put that inside. So you give me the money you want mix up with me. Push you over there, sir. And go lie down. Cause me they go freshen up myself and go lie down side of you. Yeah? You hear me, man? How are you there gonna? You hear what me say?
Yes, beers.
You're lucky. Kuyo. You give me the dead money. I shouldn't.
Beers, me not have no other
Me don't
money.
tell you no more.
Me
Don't
not
tell
have
me
no other
nothing.
money. I hold 90,000
lucky.
me gain a beers.
Move for yourself. Cause you're good at that tell lie. Lie down and hug up your pitney. Ugly like our.
Janelle! Janelle!
Right. Mora, queer. You're there. Come girl. Come sit down and stay on the sun. Bathroom me I come from just a bit. Wet like a hog.
No,
Yeah. When I come from shop.
Oh.
Me say girl. So everything good before me start chat. Well, let me tell you something. Everything not good with me.
I want no.
Now the Errol him. Me say Errol. Me call Errol. Errol hang up on me.
Alright.
Yes, and before that, Errol in the house with me. Phone a ring. Him say I get ready for go work. Very early, you know, from about to 7. So me think say I work Errol I go. Normally when Errol left, I them the early hours Errol left.
Yeah.
When me look on the phone, me see one name. So me answer. No one girl answer the phone. So anyway, the girl say, Errol and man. And them something there. And about picnic baby want Pampers. When Errol come out, Errol say I'm boss. I say, okay. So anyway, I'm leave. Found one piece of rum. Not even tea! Errol don't drink.
Something alright.
Something just not right. So yeah, you know, me I try to call back Errol. Can't get Errol. So yeah, no, me want you use your phone and call Errol for me.
Not a problem.
You know, say that man wicked.
I'm wicked, of course.
Errol don't even give me money. Me borrow money a while ago to go buy food for Errol and Yam. In a rain!
Jesus.
And Errol hang up phone for me. Me must know the truth today. And what kind of man that Errol have gone good so long?
Wicked man.
Hello? Who call me man phone? Hang up. Lord God,
No one woman answer phone.
I want girl that you talk about a woman. Jesus Christ.
The voice sound very much familiar.
What you mean by the voice so familiar?
The most Josiah.
With Josiah?
The girl, man. The girl is same baby mother business.
What you mean baby mother business? Me don't know about no baby mother.
One girl will normally come at the workplace come look for error.
Jesus Christ. What you mean come and work with? So you don't tell me that girl and me used to chat good?
I don't want them say me can't use from them.
Well,
now.
listen to me, Kai, today. What you mean by the girl used to come up?
The girl normally come, then go office, she come, for them going to office and then discuss it whenever
What?
they're ready for leave and something.
So you know her good?
Yeah,
And where she live? You don't know where she live?
she live. No, not what you telling us now.
What is it? So you know exactly where she live?
Yeah.
Well, listen to me. Me want you today. Me want you carry me go. Me know say you know they mix up there, you know. But me want you carry me go.
Not a problem.
Because listen to me. Me not sit down and go like me an idiot. You think me them idiot? Why? So because me a Christian and all of that, me fi sit down and make Errol do me anything. Errol don't even give me money to buy food. Me have to borrow money. Me have to borrow money this morning to go buy food for Errol get it for eat. This evening Errol tell me say him not come in. And the boss say Errol not come and work from when.
Wicked man.
And
Wicked man.
listen to me, I want to rip him to shred when me see him.
Come now.
Listen,
Come on.
what this man? Hey, hi miss. Hi. You know one girl named Josiah? You know where she live?
You live down here, so.
Alright,
Thank you.
Welcome.
You feel the
She
girl?
want know that.
You know Saya say girl live?
How are you saying?
Yeah.
Alright then, tell her what. You can't go on back and come and say you know in them.
What do you mean by going back? You're easy.
I don't want you get involved in them stuff.
You only go on 3 gate.
Alright. Open this sir.
You know, so they're not even like a door.
How that me say? Oh no, Kuya. Sleeping innocently like a lamb.
Oi! Get up, man.
Rise and shine. It's daylight. Sit up.
Honey,
And what is? What is? What? You what listen boy? What you do up here, sir?
honey, where you do?
What you mean honey what me I do up here?
She need to know the
I don't work here day. I don't work, you tell me say that. This is work. Where the girl then?
Then I bought
She
you.
didn't know about
Nah,
this.
bathroom.
Mora get her. Let me deal with this man. Okay, bad man. This is the work where you leave out early for. Kuya, you're dumb. You can't chat. When the day I had this man, you never chat enough.
And not or if you come and work. Eh? Who is that over there?
My baby.
Your baby? Look here, you want me kill you? You want me twist your mouth? You want me kill you? Which baby? Which baby at? Yo, sit up properly, no man. You don't see me at. So you not move. Oh, you not move. What me I saw?
Man, you wake up the baby.
Shut up, me. Yo, listen me. Let's come talk about man. Wake up. Yo, only call out. Listen me. What you mean, so man? Wake up, baby. What is this? Come tell me what you have to tell me. What you have to say to me? What you have to say to me?
Man, I'm sorry.
Sorry what? Sorry can't help. Me there you are dead for hungry. Me a walk in the rain. Me a beg people money. Borrow money. To make you yam food when you come in. Where is the money where you work? Oh look where you're blowing like a hog. You blow like a hog. You can't help yourself. You can't chat. You can't chat.
Money, because me get the baby, me have to give me my baby mother money.
Oh my God. You're not shame of yourself. You're not shame of yourself. And go see who she. Go see where you pick up. Me humbly take care of you. I do everything I had. And this is the girl that come give money. And talk about a baby, you have to give her the money. Say prefer me and dead for you after all what me go through.
Sorry, my wife.
Come out and go, yeah. Come here, go down you. I want to make righteous people backslide.
What you
mean go with? Come off of the bed, man. What you mean say you can't leave your baby? What you mean say you can't leave your baby? You know you miss come out here. You know you miss come out here. You want me hang you? Come out here, sir. Come out and go, yeah. What this? Me man. I didn't pick it up. We are coming so much nice in there.
I'm a friend man.
Which friend man?
My friend man, you take.
I coming on me. Yeah, come on before me tear you.
Sitting by the river, oh, a sin in nature. Sister Petra alongside Ethic. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting.
Too much cussing from those noisy neighbor. I wanna take away myself and focus on nature. I like to sit and watch the ants them working together, gathering food, storing for the weather. Peacocks spreading their beautiful feather. I wanna see the birds and the bees join pollen from the flowers on the trees to get nectar to make honey.
In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like